Most people think network engineers just plug cables or sit quietly behind screens all day.
But that's not what this job really is. Network engineering is about responsibility. Let me show you what a real day actually looks like.
Most people imagine network engineering as something simple. Cables, lights blinking, screens filled with numbers. But modern networks are not simple systems. They are living infrastructures. Every message sent, every website loaded, every video streamed, every transaction completed, moves through carefully designed paths. Those paths are invisible to most people, but they do not exist by accident. They are planned, maintained, secured, and constantly monitored. This video breaks down what network engineers actually do, day after day, behind the scenes, without exaggeration, without marketing language, and without unrealistic expectations. Just the real work. A typical day begins with visibility. Before changes are made, before troubleshooting begins, network engineers first confirm one thing: the network is stable. They review system health, connection states, and overall performance. They look for signs of instability, unusual behavior, or patterns that do not align with normal activity. Many problems start small. Left unnoticed, they grow. Early detection prevents outages, service interruptions, and user complaints. That is why monitoring always comes first. Networks continuously generate information. Traffic flows change throughout the day. Latency rises and falls. Errors appear briefly and disappear again. Network engineers focus on trends, not isolated numbers. A sudden spike can signal congestion. A slow drift might point to misconfiguration. Complete silence can indicate failure. Monitoring tools transform raw activity into meaningful insight. This constant observation ensures issues are handled before they become visible to users. Despite cloud services and virtualization, physical infrastructure still matters. Every digital interaction starts as an electrical or optical signal. Cables must be properly connected, securely seated, and logically organized. Poor cable management creates confusion, introduces errors, and complicates troubleshooting. Network engineers inspect racks, maintain patch panels, and ensure hardware connections remain reliable. Order at the physical layer supports stability across the entire network. Switches manage communication. Within local networks, they move data between devices efficiently and predictably. Network engineers design switching environments to reduce collisions, improve performance, and isolate traffic logically. Segmentation ensures that different systems operate independently, even while sharing infrastructure. This improves reliability, security, and scalability. Switching is not random. It follows deliberate design. Routing connects separate networks together. It determines how data travels from one location to another. Network engineers manage routes to ensure efficiency and redundancy. They plan for failure by designing alternate paths. If one link goes down, traffic must continue flowing without interruption. This resilience keeps services available even during unexpected outages. Routing decisions directly affect performance and reliability. Problems are inevitable. Hardware fails, configurations change. Software updates introduce errors. When issues occur, network engineers follow structured processes. They isolate the problem, test hypotheses, and verify assumptions. Guesswork is avoided. Each step narrows the scope until the root cause becomes clear. Fixes are applied carefully with awareness of their impact. The goal is restoration, not temporary relief. Security is integrated into daily operations. Traffic is filtered. Access is controlled. Threats are blocked. Firewalls enforce rules that protect internal systems. Network engineers monitor for unusual activity, review access policies, and reduce exposure. Security is not a one-time setup. It is continuous maintenance. One small oversight can expose an entire environment. That is why security receives constant attention. Networks evolve. New systems are added. Old hardware is really replaced. Configurations are updated. Every change is planned carefully. Network engineers assess impact, schedule maintenance windows, and verify results. Poorly planned changes cause outages. Careful execution preserves stability. Maintenance keeps the network healthy. Over time, documentation is a critical responsibility. Engineers record configurations, network layouts, and design decisions. Documentation ensures continuity, supports troubleshooting, and enables collaboration. Networks are long-term systems. They must remain understandable, even years after they are built. Clear documentation reduces risk and increases reliability. This is what network engineers really do. They design systems that stay invisible when functioning correctly. They monitor, maintain, secure, and improve infrastructure continuously. Their success is measured by what does not happen. No outages, no disruptions, no noise. When everything works, no one notices, and that is the mark of a well-engineered network.